Formuley helps labs, contract manufacturers, and enterprise beauty teams keep formulation work connected from client brief to product release. Not just a formula database, not another spreadsheet with nicer columns. Formuley turns the formula record into the operating record for the product. One record can connect formulas, INCI names, raw materials, supplier documents, costing, margin risk, compliance flags, inventory, batches, packaging, claims, testing, approvals, manufacturing handoff, and post-market evidence. If your team is moving from older spreadsheets, PLM exports, ERP data, or disconnected folders, Formuley can help turn that information into usable formulas, materials, suppliers, batches, documents, and reconciliation reports. Inside the product launch file, the work stays connected from formula to release. Ingredients, packaging, claims, testing, compliance, batch records, dossiers, and release evidence live around the product instead of being scattered across tools. For raw materials, supplier evidence stays attached. SDS, TDS, COA, allergens, origin, lot history, source versions, and approved supplier records. AI can support the review process by summarizing changes, surfacing risks, drafting notes, and opening the right context. But chemists, QA, regulatory, and operations stay in control. Costing stays connected too. Cost of goods, margin risk, batch size, packaging cost, supplier price drift, channel assumptions, and quote-ready numbers can stay visible before the quote leaves the lab. For launch readiness, Formuley can connect packaging BOMs, artwork, compatibility, claims wording, stability, micro, challenge testing, and lab results. For production, teams can support GMP documentation, MFR, BPR, lot traceability, line clearance, weighed by and verified by steps, reconciliation, retained samples, and release gates. For compliance and dossiers, teams can review INCI, labels, market flags, allergens, restrictions, MOCRA prep, PIF and CPSR handoff, manufacturing packets, and GMP release exports. For contract manufacturers, private portals can keep client handoff scoped and traceable. Formula snapshots, packaging specs, documents, status, audit packs, and clear access boundaries. For enterprise teams, the value is control. Roles, approvals, audit history, SSO, SAML, SCIME, API access, BI export, workspace controls, and governed data access help teams move faster without losing oversight. The formula is not isolated anymore. Formuley helps beauty teams manage the science, the business, the evidence, the production handoff, and the quality record around every product.